Creating videos using Avatar and DID API.
A DID Studio account. So you have to create a username and a password. They do have a free service. I just signed in into the $5.99 option there because since I'm doing the videos, I need a little more. So you can go here. After you created an account, you go to your account profile, and in here it has a, a section here to create an API key. So you need to create an API key, copy, paste it in a secure location because you're going to use that API key to create your videos, your avatars and videos. You're only going to is only going to show you once, so you can you're not going to see if you lose it. So you really have to kind of save your API key somewhere. All right. So once you have a sign in, and let's go to the studio. Here's the studio. You can create it videos in the studio side, but we are going to use the code. I'm going to do one trying using the studio options here, but I'm going to use coding. So I'm going to go to the developer hub. And in the developer hub, you can see, for example, here is videos on what they do, all what the avatars can do, animation, talk, clips, agents. So you can put in your website. Here is the introduction video. So I already troubleshoot the problems because I had a little problem with the code. I was inputting the syntax incorrect because I could not see it. The video, the code for the video is so little that I could not see it. So I'm doing this. I troubleshoot that for you guys. All right. So here it is. So once you're here, right, you already have the key. You can go to basic authentication. Go and talk a little bit about the value, the username, and all of the kind of things. So that's the here in the left, basic authentication. And the first thing that we're going to use is the talks. So here, go to the talks. And here you have, we are going to create a video, right? Using an avatar, and we are going to use the post and the get function to create the video and then get the video. To do this code, it says here you can use any editor you want, but I am using what they recommend. I actually sign in for the this is Postman uh, cloud service. So here, let me see. So if you type Postman here platform, you can sign in for free. I actually going to save this. Authorization is the API key. The key is the type is authorization. The value is basic space and the key. And then we're going to already saved. All right. So after you had added the authorization, we're going to add a request. And here in the type, if you go to the overview here, first we need a post and then we need a get. So here is the post is the API.com talks. Here you have to add that to your post to create a talk. I have them already here in I kind of put everything in a notepad so I don't get confused. I'm going to go to it's not a get, it's first a post. The type is talks. So, okay, so the post is talks. I'm going to go to my body. I'm going to use raw. And here in the JSON, I'm going to select JSON because that's what we're going to use to create our script. All right, so I'm going to go here and actually I'm going to copy this just to show you, but then I'm going to put the code that I want. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is create a script. The type of the using the script is going to take in text, and the input for the text is here. So I have my own welcome video message. And here at the bottom, we have also another connection, another input, another variable. It's going to be the photo, right? In this case, this is the photo for the video that I did before, but I created a new avatar. So I'm going to go and copy that code, the script, and I'll show you what I did. It's like so simple. You can use the studio without the code, but the code is a little bit challenged because you cannot see in the video and I did a syntax error. So that's why. So first is text. In the text here, input is welcome to lecturers, the online learning platform, blah, blah, blah. And here I'm going to use this avatar to give a message. So if you don't have errors in the code, you put here the post API for talks. You already added your key and save. Now you can send the request. And here's a request. So the request gives us an ID